Hey everyone, Josh here to announce the Tamron 35-150mm f2-2.8 Di3 VXD lens, this time for Nikon Z-mount. The 35-150 was originally constructed for Sony E-mount and shares most of the same features and functionality. It was developed based on the specifications of Nikon Z-mount, which creates a few differences. This lens happens to be the world's first f2-2.8 fast aperture zoom lens for Nikon Z-mount. Its unique zoom range offers incredible versatility in different photo and video situations. It has a 4.3 times zoom that covers the 5 most commonly used prime focal lengths and maintains a fast aperture throughout the entire range. When it comes to the design of the lens, it features 2 customizable focus set buttons and a 3-position custom function switch. You also have A and B focus set buttons to automatically focus between 2 points. There is an autofocus and manual focus switch and the ability to switch the focus ring to control your aperture. You can also change the rotation of the focus ring depending on preference. The body of the lens itself is moisture resistant even through the USB-C port and features a fluorine coating on the front element for easy cleaning and resistance. The grip texture on the zoom ring has also been redesigned in a striped pattern for smoother operation. The barrel of the lens itself has been updated for improved abrasion resistance. All in all, the 35-150 is an ideal lens for portraiture, event photography, travel photography, and more. The versatility of the lens lends itself to many different shooting situations, whatever kind of work that you find yourself doing. Thank you so much for checking out this video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an upload. Once again, my name is Josh, and if you have any other questions about the Tamron Z35-150 or anything else camera related, please give us a call, send us an email, reach out on one of our socials, or simply stop by one of our 8 stores located around New England.